So, my order from Amazon came, the slingshot or tirador in Tagalog. Kasi, titiradorin ko yung deer na laging pumupunta dyan sa aking garden. Kasi, hindi siya, ito, ang ganda, oh. Diba? Metal siya, guys. Metal, oh. Yung aking slingshot. Ayan, oh. Kaya lang, ako pa ang magkakabit ng mga parts. Ayan, hiwa-hiwalay pa siya. So, ikakabit ko pa to ang mga parts nito. Ayan, diba? Ush! Magaling tayo dyan. Kaya lang, it's too small. You know, this one, the rubber is fine. But the thing is, where you gonna put, they give also a bullet. This is too small. So, I'm gonna use a stone, a bigger one. See, this is so small. When I use this to the deer, no, it won't feel it. So, I'm gonna use bigger stone. See, this is the bullet for my slingshot. It's too small. Ayan, no? Parang it looks like chocolate. Sana chocolate na lang to kakainin ko eh. Yan. Dalawa siya, 2-in-1 yung in-order ko. Ayan na. So, isang red at isang color wood. Mahogany color and then brown color. And, wow, may lagayan pa siya, oh. Diba? Pwede siyang ilagay sa belt. Oh, diba guys? Ang galing, oh. May lagayan siya, oh. So, kung paano i-attach, problema ko na yun mamaya. How to attach, I'm gonna figure it out. See? Woo! I remember when I was a kid, I used this to do the like that. Oh, masakit. When we gonna shot the birds, so we do that. But we make it from the wood. Here you have to buy online. I got it from Amazon, and also I bought a arrow, guys. So pag may mga loko-lokong pupunta dito, titiradurin ko. Ay, dalawang bag. Ang dami naman ito. Isa lang yung in-order ko. So what is this? Tika, baka maghalo-halo, magkaiba. Bakit ang dami nilang binigay sa akin? Dalawa na to sa isang box. Baka maghalo-halo kasi. So, ito dito siya. Ang dami. Ayan, oh, wow. Oh my God. So, who wants a slingshot, guys? Ang dami nito, oh. Dalawa. Oh my God. They double my order. Holy crap. Ang dami. Oh, ayan, oh. Baka maghalo-halo. Ayan, may mga parts pa siya, oh. Hindi ko alam kung saan ito ilalagay. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. There. I have to read the instructions, guys. I don't like instruction. I don't like reading, you know. I'm lazy to read. I don't know which part. Oh, I have to figure it out. And let's see the arrow.